Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're the Caper Couple. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button. So we're just leaving Gooseberry Cove, and for today's episode we're going to head down the road. I believe it's a kilometer or more, and we're going to go in and check out Wild Cove. So until we get there guys, catch you back in a bit.
Catch you later.
Peace. Hey, what's up guys? We're here. You can see the sign, Wild Cove. Sorry about the gimbal. Moved my hand too much and it twisted around. There's a sign, says Wild Cove. It's possibly a kilometer or a little more back towards Louisbourg.
I hope it doesn't mean wild, because wild animals in here. That's what I hope.
So here's the entranceway. It's pretty much like the last one. Both of us have never been down this one yet. So this is our first trip in here. We've just went to Gooseberry a couple of times. Actually, this is our second trip to Gooseberry Cove. So we decided, why not come in here this time and check it out. We only heard about it last time we were at Gooseberry Cove. We ran into this older couple, and they mentioned this one to us and told us to check this one out. So, like I said before, we'll kill two birds with one stone, and we get an extra video made while we're out here. It's a beautiful day out today, so why not? I won't be using the Mavic Mini here today though guys. It's just way too windy. I don't want to lose it. So if I do get drone footage, it'll be with the Parrot, which still isn't bad video. It's produces 1080p. Compared to the Mavic Mini, the Mavic produces 2.7K, which is a lot clearer, but still, Parrot has nice video footage on it. So we'll probably put that up down here and get some coastline footage. Show you guys what it's like. You can see the opening now. It's beautiful, just like Gooseberry was. It looks beautiful anyway, guys. So we gotta walk along this big deep puddle. See, all the rutting caused this. Same as out the old branch road. That's a big puddle, guys. Look at that. It's like a small pond. But here we go. Here's the opening. Wild Cove. Another nice area. Get a nice little beachfront. All kinds of rocky areas. Look at that sandy beach down that way, guys. Isn't that awesome? Look at the size of the waves coming in. That ocean's producing big waves today. The one thing about over this area, over near Louisbourg, it's always cold over here, guys, but today is a nice warm day. And Louisbourg area, it's always windy. I've never been over this way once where it hasn't been windy. It has always been windy over here. But man, it's some beautiful here. Check that out. What an area, guys. Wouldn't you love to own a piece of land here? So I'd imagine if you walk those trails, you could walk along the coast right over to Gooseberry Cove.
Nice beach.
Yeah, it is nice. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna get the Parrot out, have a little flight here and get you guys some footage. So catch you back in a few. Okay guys, so got you some awesome footage considering I was using the Parrot. So we're gonna wrap up the day here. But look at that view. That is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Amazing. I don't want to step any closer because I'm going to get wet. But man, what a beautiful spot. Look at the size of the waves coming in, guys. This is awesome here. Absolutely amazing spot. Like I said, this is called Wild Cove. And Louisbourg, Fortress of Louisbourg is over around the point. But man, what a beautiful beach. We're gonna have to come here and go swimming. Wanna come here and go swimming? This would be awesome to swim here. Beautiful beach, guys. Amazing beach. This is one of the nicer ones I've seen. So with that being said, guys, we'll wrap it up here. We're gonna head back to the car and head home. So subscribe to the channel, comment down below, leave us a like, guys. Please leave us a like. If you like this video, you like what you see, leave us a like. So make sure your post notifications are on, guys, and until the next time,
Catch you later, people.
bye guys.